Hello to all the viewers out there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kaloy, and today I'm going to teach you on how to restore a deleted Redmi app or any related Mi phones from Xiaomi. And I'm going to teach you right now on how to do it. So just stay tuned. If you accidentally deleted an app, especially if it's a Redmi app, for example, you're just scrolling around and accidentally deleted this one. Here's what you're going to do. Just go to the settings and then scroll at the apps section. Go to the apps and then manage home screen shortcuts. Actually, it's just a shortcut of the Mi apps, and you're going to turn it on, and it will automatically go to the home screen of your Mi phone. So that's just easy as it is. When you go to the home screen and it's right there, and then that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.